Peace everyone, Unmask Art here, and in today's video I'm going to give you a few exercises that you can do in your spare time to help improve the accuracy and precision of those micro muscles in your hands while drawing or painting. Okay, so the first exercise is just drawing circles, and the idea is to draw circles both clockwise and counterclockwise as quickly as you can and always meet the starting point with the end point. So you're going to do some counterclockwise, you're going to do some clockwise. These are real easy to do. You can do them on a post-it note, you can do them at work, you can do these wherever. Just grab a spare piece of paper and draw some circles of various sizes. So you can see this one is a bad one. These ones are pretty good. I'm meeting up, doing these kind of quickly just to demonstrate, but you can do that clockwise, counterclockwise. It's really helpful. And you can use a pen, a pencil. I'm using a marker here just to demonstrate. You can do this with your paintbrush if you wanted to. You can do this with any of the mediums that you choose. I would recommend if you're going to do like colored pencils, try to use a colored pencil, but it doesn't really matter what drawing or painting instrument you're using. All of this is going to help develop those micro muscles for you to become more precise in your drawing. Now that one is a little boring, as most of these exercises are. However, the next exercise, you're going to start with a vertical line, and the idea is that you want to move back and forth with your utensil, and you want to work up to that line. You want to work on the precision of getting up to that line and not crossing it. And you can do that right and left, so you can go from left to right or right to left. And the idea is just to get up to that line. Usually I would recommend making the line in a different color or something like that. But that's pretty much it. Those two exercises, quick and easy. The next one is to do a horizontal line. And what you're going to do is work on your speed and accuracy coming down to that line. So you want to come down to that line without crossing it. As you can see, there's a couple there that I missed. And then also a top line, so going up to a top line. As you can see, I need to practice these as well. But these are just some quick little exercises you can do to get used to practicing your accuracy. This is really helpful when doing things like fur or hair. I know a lot of people struggle with like flyaways and whiskers and doing the flicking motion that I do in a lot of my tutorials. But this will help build that confidence on something that doesn't matter. So just create a line and do that. The next thing is to do two horizontal lines, both horizontal and two vertical lines. And as you may have guessed, the idea here is to go in between. So this helps increase your accuracy for your starting and your end point, and then also right or left to right and right to left. So you can do two of these. You can do one left to right and the other one right to left, just to help build that accuracy. You can see here, I kind of went past the line, and that's the idea. You don't want to go past the line. So here's a few exercises that you can do. And then the best way, I think, to implement some of these exercises is to first get rid of that paper and find a coloring book. Coloring books, they can be a lot of fun. It doesn't matter what they are. As you can see here, this coloring book is absolutely nothing special. It's actually the only one I was able to find. And you can see I've done a couple practice with some markers here. And this helps build that confidence on something that doesn't really matter all that much because it's just a coloring book. Who are you trying to impress, right? But using these simple practice techniques on line art that is a little bit more appealing than just drawing circles and lines on a blank piece of paper. This can be something that you do either with colored pencils or markers or whatever medium. The other thing that you can do if you want to practice painting inside the lines, you can just trace the line art onto your canvas or whatever paper you're using for whatever medium you want to do. So it doesn't even matter. You don't have to use the paper that's inside the coloring book. You can just simply trace the lines. And even tracing the artwork from coloring books is really good practice for your accuracy because Tracing also requires a decent degree of accuracy and precision. So you just continue to build those micro muscles in your hand. And those are the tips that I have for you today. Of course, if you want to learn more from me, then make sure you are subscribed and check out the art club. I'll have links for that in the description. I have a ton of projects over there that even if you started today, you wouldn't be done for years. I also live stream every Monday and Tuesday, and the first Friday of every month, I do the live critique sessions. So if you want to submit some of your artwork, then make sure you join the Facebook group and also the Discord channel. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Peace.